As indicated by our in every practical sense current JASMY coin cost expectation, the worth of JASMY coin will expanded by 238.96%, coming to $0.0129 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and insatiability list is perusing 11.77, which truly implies sort of intense apprehension, or so they essentially thought. Our JASMY coin gauge, it's dangerous to sell JASMY coin at this moment. On September 16, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while genuinely different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among JASMY coin cost expectations. See the specific JASMY coin cost expectation underneath. You will explicitly know how most certainly much JASMY coin especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, JASMY coin has expanded by 3.46%. Because of this, we can explicitly get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of September, the worth of JASMY coin expanded by 117.82%. and came to approach around $0.00787. At present, all pointers especially are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and avarice file by and large shows 11.77 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this for the most part isn't the ideal opportunity to sell JASMY coin. At present, JASMY coin really is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal, which is genuinely critical. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA generally has shown a JASMY coin offering signal in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of JASMY coin explicitly is presently running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it explicitly shows an offer sign, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will, in a real sense, hit $0.00463 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023-2024, JASMY coin's most certainly transient 50-day SMA shows a $0.00366. The overall strength list, RSI, Force Oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is at present at Ursivalu. This shows that the JASMY market generally is in an impartial position. JASMY coin value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, JASMY coin came to $0.00568 when it dipped under $0.00303. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, JASMY coin most certainly is en route to passing the $0.00792 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00792, it might break its sign of $4.99 and arrive at in a significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, JASMY coin will, in every way that really matters, break its past all-time high of $4.99 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00709 and $0.00792 soon. At this point, on 16 September 2023, JASMY coin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.00361, and its 24-hour exchanging volume explicitly is around 18.35 M, and it explicitly makes number 139 money in the kind of entire crypto world amazingly. JASMY coin value expectation 2024. There basically is plausible that JASMY coin can get through the $0.00923 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least JASMY coin cost will be between $0.00773 to $0.00923, and the most probable JASMY coin cost will be in every practical sense consistent at around $0.00908 toward the finish of 2024. Despite JASMY coin's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally hostile energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure kind of entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that JASMY coin will basically reach $0.00923 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. JASMY coin value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists especially foresee that JASMY will begin the year at $0.0106 and exchange around $0.0129 in a significant manner. As per their expectations, this would be very commonly high contrasted with commonly a year ago. This for the most part is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. JASMY coin value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that JASMY coin 2026 value forecast will sort of twofold in cost, yet it for the most part is likewise truly conceivable that it may not actually arrive at its normal greatest $0.0164 level, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. JASMY coin is basically anticipated to especially arrive at an unequaled high of $0.0157 or $0.0164 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of JASMY coin. JASMY coin value expectation 2027. JASMY coin value expectation, or JASMY, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it most certainly can possibly, all things considered, accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap. JASMY coin's cost is supposed to outperform $0.0164 in 2027. It most certainly has been anticipated that JASMY coin will arrive at the genuinely greatest cost of $0.0164, and the base cost explicitly is supposed to be around $0.0139 in the following a long time from 2027, which is very critical. JASMY coin value forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists truly say that JASMY coin value expectation and specialized examination, JASMY coin, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0186 in 2028, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the interim, JASMY coin is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $0.0171 this year, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The greatest cost might reach $0.0198. JASMY coin value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the JASMY coin value forecast and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of JASMY coin will reach $0.0262, and the cost of JASMY ought to basically reach $0.0262 before the year's over. What's more, JASMY can generally reach up to $0.0243 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for JASMY coin development, which for the most part is very